Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button. Go to the gallery, select a picture of star, change the background, select the orange color, enable button down, adjust, and then select the text option, by written. Select the size, adjust the size, select the font, adjust the font, select the stock, enable button down, adjust the color, and then copy the letters, select the copy option, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, save the letters, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, change the background, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.